Kevin was having the time of his life with Coco and Loco. The three friends were inseparable, enjoying the warm summer days together. They ran through the meadows, splashed in the river, and helped Kevin's father herd the cows on the pasture. Every day was filled with laughter and joy. But summer slowly gave way to rainy autumn. The friends spent more and more time indoors, while the little horses rested in the warm and cozy stable.
Don't worry, my friends. The rain will soon be over, and then winter will come with soft, fluffy snow and cheerful winter games.
And at last, winter arrived. Everything around was magically transformed. The world turned white and fluffy like a fairy tale come to life. Kevin and his horses were happy. They built snowmen, jumped over snow walls, and sometimes Kevin would hitch one of the ponies to a little sleigh and glide over snowy fields. Kevin's laughter rang out far and wide. Everyone was having such a good time. And just like that, spring arrived. The trees blossomed and the meadows turned green with fresh grass and beautiful flowers. With spring came the time for training. Kevin's father began teaching the ponies how to be ridden. Coco and Loco tried their very best. They didn't want to disappoint Kevin. One morning, on a free day from classes, Kevin and his friends set off on a journey to the distant canyon.
Coco, Loco, Kevin too, ride together through the blue, over hills and through the trees.
The journey was exciting, and everyone enjoyed it. But the sun grew hotter and hotter. The blazing heat made them tired, and they decided to return home. Suddenly, they saw a cactus. Its branches were broken, and it looked terribly weak, as if it was barely holding on to life.
Oh, poor thing. We can't just leave him here. I think he needs some water. Let's take him back to the ranch and help him get better.
Coco, Loco, Kevin too, ride together through the blue, over hills and through the trees, playing games in every breeze. Clip, clop, off we go, fast or slow through sun or snow. Coco, Loco, Kevin too.
Thanks to all that love and care, the cactus quickly recovered. Its stem turned a bright, healthy green. Its branches grew strong, and thick little spines began to sprout. Kevin, Coco, and Loco were happy. One night, Kevin couldn't fall asleep. Suddenly, he noticed a soft glow outside the window. He quickly got dressed and ran outside. Beautiful flowers had bloomed on the cactus, glowing gently with a magical light. In the silence of the night, Kevin heard the voice of a cactus.
Kevin, I am grateful to you, and I wish to give you a gift in return. My flowers are magical, and whoever smells them will gain the ability to understand the language of all living creatures on Earth.
The cactus's wondrous gift brought Kevin even closer to his dear friends. Every evening they gathered around the cactus to hear his marvelous tales. They could listen to him all night long, at least until Kevin's father called them back inside. It sounds like a wonderful idea. You get the joy of creating, and your child gets a fairy tale brought to life. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more adventures with Kevin and his friends.